Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the holder. Arrange the spray bottles. Dermabrasion tips. Silicone tips. Dermabrasion handles. An external filter neatly on the holder. Diamond dermabrasion handle installation. Ensure the black rubber ring is properly positioned. On the dermabrasion handle, choose the desired dermabrasion tip from the 9 available options. Insert a cotton filter sheet and attach the tip to the handle. Display the dermabrasion handle and white hose. Remove the cap from the tail of the dermabrasion handle. Thread the white hose through the cap. Connect it to the handle and reattach the cap securely. Connect the opposite end of the hose to the external filter. Then attach it to the suction port on the main unit. Silicone tip installation. A white rubber ring is inside the dermabrasion handle. Replace it if damaged. Select the desired silicone tip from 3 available options. Insert a cotton filter sheet and attach the tip to the handle. Display the dermabrasion handle and black hose. Remove the cap from the tail of the dermabrasion. Thread the black hose through the cap. Connect it to the handle. And reattach the cap securely. Replace the white hose connected to the external filter with the black hose. Spray bottle installation. Display the red hose and spray bottle. Connect one end of the reed hose to the spray bottle. And other end to the release port on the main unit. Connect the power cord and press the red power button on the main unit. Diamond dermabrasion. Rotate the suction knob to maximum. Place the handle on your hand to test the suction and adjust according to individual comfort. Silicone tip. Rotate the intensity knob to maximum. Place the handle on your hand to test the suction and adjust as needed. Spray bottle. Remove the cap. Pour in a mixed solution of serum and saline in a 1:10 ratio. Cover the small hole on the top of the bottle to release the mist. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.